Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Anjali Yadav. So today we are going to start class 9th chemistry chapter 1, that is matter in our surroundings. So this is the part 1. Let us see what is matter. Matter is everything in this universe that occupies space and has mass. Everything is made up of matter. यूनिवर्स में कोई भी चीज़ जो स्पेस ऑक्यूपाई कर रही है और जिसके पास मास है उसको हम मैटर बोलते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल एयर, वाटर, स्टोन्स, क्लाउड्स, पेंसिल्स, बुक्स एट्सेट्रा. नाउ कुछ चीज़ें ऐसी भी होती हैं जिसको हम मैटर कंसिडर नहीं कर सकते हैं. वॉट आर दोज थिंग्स? आई विल टेल यू. दोज थिंग्स आर व्हेन वी आर हैप्पी, when we are sad, taste, smell. These are the things which we cannot say that this is matter because these things does not occupy space and has mass. Now we will see constituents of matter. According to the early Indian philosophers, every living and non-living thing is made up of 5 basic elements that is called Panch Tattva. Air, water, earth, sky, fire. जो हमारे अर्ली इंडियन फिलोसफर्स थे उनके अकॉर्डिंग अगर हम देखें तो मैटर 5 थिंग से मिलकर बना हुआ है. वो कौन कौन सी चीज़ें हैं? एयर, वाटर, अर्थ, स्काई एंड फायर. सो देयरफॉर वी कैन से मैटर इज a composition of these 5 constituents. Now we will see physical nature of matter. The first physical nature, that is matter is made up of particles. So now in this we have taken a 100 ml beaker. We have mixed some salt in it. Then we have stirred it. What we have noticed in this, that the water level has risen here. So it shows that the particles of salt get spaces into the particles of water. So it shows that the particles has spaces between them. So matter is made up of particles. Now we will see the size of particles of matter is very small. We have taken 100 ml clear water. Then we have added 2-3 crystals of potassium permanganate. This is potassium permanganate, which makes the color deep purple, and we have taken out 10 ml and we have mixed it in this 90 ml. इसमें से हमने 10 ml निकाला, तो जब हमने 90 ml में इसमें ऐड कर दिया उस कलर को, तो हमने क्या देखा कि उसका जो कलर है वो डाइल्यूशन पर भी हमें दिखाई दे रहा है. ये सब 90 ml हैं और जिसमें कि हम बार बार रिपीट करने पर 10 ml उसमें मिक्स कर रहे हैं. फिर भी आफ्टर डाइल्यूशन हम देख रहे हैं कि कलर अभी भी हमें दिख रहा है. सो इट मीन्स दिस शोज द साइज ऑफ पार्टिकल्स इज़ वेरी स्मॉल. नाउ लेट अस सी कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ पार्टिकल्स ऑफ मैटर. फर्स्ट पॉइंट, particles of matter have spaces between them. So here is the example from which you can understand properly. When a few crystals of potassium permanganate are placed at the bottom of a beaker containing water, then the water in the whole beaker turns purple slowly. So this shows that particles of matter have spaces between them. Now we will see second point, particles of matter are continuously moving. This is the best example from which you can understand. So you have seen incense stick. In Hindi we can say agarbatti also. So when we burn a incense stick in one corner of a room, its fragrance spreads in the whole room quickly. So this shows that particles of matter are moving continuously. Now the third character, that is particles of matter attract each other. There are some forces of attraction between the particles of matter which bind them together. These forces are called cohesion. Strength of this force of attraction varies from one kind of matter to another. So these are the forces which bind the particles to each other. Thank you. I hope that you like my video. If you really like, so please like, share and subscribe to my channel.